Hello, my name is Vicky and I'm the Director of Public Health in your area. My team have been working hard trying to contact people who have tested positive for coronavirus. This is the test and trace system, and we wanted to explain a little more about how this works, why it's an important part of the effort to reduce infections, and how you can help us.
If you test positive for coronavirus, the National Test and Trace Service will try to contact you, and they'll keep trying to contact you for about 24 hours. If they aren't able to reach you, they'll then pass your information over to the local council, which is us, and we will continue to try to call you, and if we have an email address for you, we'll also send you an email. If we can't get hold of you, we'll keep trying because it's really important that we speak to you. The reason we need to get in touch with you is firstly to make sure that you're aware of the isolation advice and of any support available to you to help you self-isolate. It also gives you an opportunity to ask us any questions that you may have about self-isolation. The second reason that we need to get in touch with you is so that we can identify any close contacts who we may also need to advise to self-isolate. And this is really important so that we can stop the spread of the virus amongst our family, our friends and our community. If we aren't able to get in touch with you over the phone, then we will, because we're local, we'll send somebody round to knock on your door and try to arrange a convenient time to speak with you.
Every day we get a list of people who've been tested positive with the COVID-19. Before you start calling people, we try to look for the duplicates and try to find if there is any other household member who've been tested positive. So we try to coordinate the call rather than making 2-3 separate calls. We try to make one call and get all the details. When we call people, we find that most of them are actually aware of the self-isolation guideline and they are following it, which is great. Thank you for doing that. But what is more difficult though is actually remembering what they've been in the past week and whom they have been in contact with. That may take a bit of time, but that piece of information is really important for the public health action.
If you've tested positive, please remember that the National Test and Trace Service or our local team will be trying to call you, so please answer your phone. No one will get into trouble by sharing information about who you've been in close contact with, but it can help us alert your friends and family that they may have picked up the virus too. We're working really hard to help control the spread of the virus through the test and trace system, but you can help too, simply by picking up the phone and talking to us. This can make a really big difference, so please do talk to us. Thank you.